Coming up, we reveal the story behind a local television personality's plastic surgery and how it changed her life forever.
Local television personality shares her story of transformation. Fox 8 News reporter Jackie Smith takes us on Linda Hirsch's journey to become a swan.
A good day at school is if no one made fun of how I looked.
Linda Hirsch spent years on Cleveland television as a soap opera critic, reporting on fictional stories of tragedy and drama. Now she shares her true life story of tears and torment.
My teeth stuck out like here, my gums showed totally. I was like this.
You wouldn't know it by looking at her now, but Linda lived much of her life battling an emotionally painful deformity.
Linda had a condition called the long face deformity. What it means that parts of the face were grown out of proportion.
Linda was a healthy, beautiful baby, showing no signs of what was to come. She first realized she no longer looked like other kids when a schoolmate sketched her face in art class.
There was no chin, and there was no cheekbones. And I thought, this is either a really bad artist or this is how I look.
It began a long string of devastating moments and dark memories. Linda's mother took her to a plastic surgeon when she was 16.
He said, what do you want? And I said, well, I want to look normal. And he said, I'm not a miracle worker.
It's the heart afraid of breaking.
So Linda tried a makeover at a high-end department store, hoping it would help.
He spun me around his chair, and remember I'm 19, and he said, ladies, do not judge our makeup by the way this individual looks.
Linda says her late brother-in-law may have hurt her the most.
I heard him say to my parents, she cannot be in any of the wedding pictures. She'll spoil them because of the way she looks.
Despite wanting to hide her face from the crowd, Linda was drawn to the spotlight and a career in television. She was heartbroken and finally fed up when producers wanted to turn her into a comedic character.
They're telling me I can't look good.
So in the late 70s, she underwent 5 operations in New York City, each of them unsuccessful and eventually causing infection.
And the road has been too long.
Then in 1980, she met Dr. Bahman Guyuron in Cleveland and began a series of more than a half-dozen surgeries.
So what we did is we moved the upper jaw up, lower jaw and the chin forward. It was a very complex, fairly new procedure.
They cut my cranium here, and what they do is they took all my skin down and they started reconstructing my face.
Dr. Guyuron used Linda's ribs to build new cheekbones. Her jaws were wired shut for 6 weeks, and she had an allergic reaction to the anesthesia.
I'd do it again yesterday. Not because it's made me, drop dead gorgeous, but it certainly has made me, I think, look better, feel better about myself.
People tell us that we have changed their lives, and it makes our lives more meaningful.
I don't think that anybody's going to make fun of me anymore for the way I look, and I could certainly be in my sister's wedding pictures.
In the spring becomes the rose.
Jackie Smith, Fox 8 News.
20 years ago, Linda's surgery was cutting edge, really. Dr. Guyuron says today it's a common surgery requiring only an overnight stay in the hospital instead of 6 weeks. Linda is now a national columnist and plans to return to television and soon.